What is blockchain and why is everyone talking about it? Let's break it down in just 3 minutes. No boring tech talk, just straight facts. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that's changing the world. Imagine a notebook where every transaction is recorded, but instead of one person controlling it, millions of computers verify it. That's blockchain technology in action. It's a decentralized, tamper-proof digital ledger that records transactions securely, ensuring transparency and trust. Each transaction is verified by multiple computers, making it highly secure and reliable. This system prevents fraud and errors, providing a trustworthy environment for digital transactions. Each transaction gets grouped into a block, which is a collection of multiple transactions bundled together. Miners verify these transactions through complex math puzzles. Solving these puzzles requires significant computational power. This process is called proof of work, a consensus mechanism that ensures all transactions are legitimate. Once verified, the block is added to the chain permanently, creating a continuous and unalterable record. This makes the blockchain immutable and secure, protecting it from tampering and fraud. Miners play a crucial role in ensuring the network's security and integrity, maintaining trust in the system. No banks, no middlemen. Blockchain removes intermediaries, making transactions faster, cheaper, and transparent. That's why it's used for Bitcoin, smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, and even supply chain management. Plus, it's revolutionizing healthcare, voting, and real estate. Blockchain isn't just about crypto. It's a revolutionary technology that's transforming various sectors. Governments, banks, and industries are integrating blockchain for secure voting, transparent banking, and efficient supply chains. It's also making waves in healthcare, real estate, and even AI. The future is decentralized and more secure. Imagine a world where autonomous vehicles, smart contracts, and entire cities run on blockchain. The potential is limitless and exciting. So now you know how blockchain works in just 3 minutes. What do you think? Is blockchain the future? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and hit the bell for more crypto insights.